exclusive way.
Fama me.
Say me drop exclusive ba kumienu a. Me wi am srewa adom me na me nya ade bi o house.
Okay.
Na me nua abam. Wi an ma sanso atiasi me de ma any nations.
Yanko.
Ya atiasi side ho. De atie ni so kai Boris Manju. Obeda de ma me de ma. Oko TP Mazembe okay, a very good goalkeeper. I'm a trained nearby.
Okay.
Boris Manju. Oko TP Mazembe cry. Oh, we're winning a case against TP Mazembe.
Yeah.
$36,000. FIFA. Say no omuntimin tuaneka. Musum be not $5,000. Boris Manju in the camp. Why Welling said per diameter from the camp no. Why Welling saw beba beda diama Sante Kotoko. Say even men can't say Kotoko uti. Men can't say Kotoko na kwa fa no. But Boris Manju as a Kotoko why ready? Even if for trials we're ready say obeba momo assessing.
Okay.
No ba beda diama Kotoko. At least say ni mono so ni level ni stature so at say. Onim Sambo no. South Africa for any world no mu wie di oni ntem.
Ade obi peso si esira na.
Sambo no aya Samba Danlad Ibrahim. Kofi Tompo. Ana Abrante Yube Jew. Players are coach no. Nani wo mo ho pa. Kofi Tompo na Bechen United Kofi Tompo. Enti Danlad kra no. I don't know, Nidinia me the keke. That lot of crown, I don't know yes I'm mistaken. I am here because as a matter of fact, say coach no, okay, coach no plans so far. And I you bet you cry there on the catching pen for say more monton.
Okay.
Ohiano and coach ne bantamanka Sambo na nko manenko. Because up a ball playing center backs one. Ohio mo pa. Na Samba, the Martinez say TP Mazembe person hijacking the deal no they cause South Africa no. TP Mazembe for so any abre. Abram gidi.
Okay.
Bro. Yendi san komo e kakra exclusive ne de oho. Ye be san de biaba. Enti big brother. Enye mo reho se mwate se heart to folk. Solomon Agbesi utie. Akwa sign was South Africa. Ede ama Stellenbosch meboa. Agbesi sign ye no waji $70,000. Tie figure no. Owie ne bosumi bi oji $8,000. How to fuka nyawe? Has any
Solomon Agbesi.
Meme Jude osu ba for meme so say Agbesi $70,000 signing on fee. Owie $8,000 a month. How to fuck enya she?
Aden na contract na end ana.
Why idea? We be sasem. Mema education we wa. Contract wo hu. Ye ma Agbesi de friend
amateur contract.
Eno no TMS no enkomu se enye professional contract. Na TMS no enema mienu ena player untimi emfama ebia professional contract. So one who delay time I was ye implement into the system. One nye wo niema ntemu a eno no system no ebe rejected. So ebasa any system no. A say player no any contract with the FA. Utie. Enti ubetimi na ye agreement, but no ye mo agreement. But enye agreement professional one. Ye ton abeka say enti na me tro ade. Agbesi na at a point na say almost show play omo no. Okay. No, usem catch almost say ko South Africa. Okay, some ka say no. Announce FIFA amount transfer ban. Say FIFA amount transfer ban. The moment our transfer ban the ban, a say won't mean top player. It is offer player now to man a professional contract. Rather only the bear an amateur lie because of Saban. Oh. And that was a period I'm back now to folk na ban no abano. And when to me a man a professional contract.
When
to me a man a professional contract.
Agbesi contract no na to folk for sign that time no. Now to folk ya under ban.
Yes, and your professional contract no the man.
Zando Frakwame Opari.
And your professional contract no the man. And to me no ka say no ntina Agbesi e fa ne ho no. O se me ko South Africa. Na asem no area ho. I was see di hun komo ye bro. Yes, how to folk enya shiu. The only thing you can do is that they had never court, civil court, uti, because of only player and ABM we a certain arrangement. but when you professional contract anka o turn no because automatically when a turn utie enti player no you can negotiate na bi anka has make what the bear $20,000 $30,000 be o wie nso onward transfer so o sign what percentage room agbesi dia ne ntesa
Jude mibo enti in so omoton agbesi no why na ton no
agbesi na ton ne ho enti na agbesi tie no na agbesi $70,000
okwa as a free player right
as a free player enti no age $70,000 na gu ne ho
zondo we dey me so ma fra kwa me opori adoma me na
you can find out
because agbesi dia be mo because the enti make us say Ghana were 4 goalkeepers 4 goalkeepers now for the Black Stars no what rank here what the agbesi be count account for
yes
no say o 4th choice goalkeeper in the national team no say ya turn akwa abonte na so ko free there
because na amateur when you professional contract now the woman nie se da bia mpanyimfo ye ni brani e ka asem wo hu aye na mu fu sa asem ne e ka na asese bia nim de e ka has a bokam premu ana e ka miensa broma me ncho de ntia one edikan Rene Heading, one may adwuma bi amfa ma has meboa hwesika o sanso ajew wasanso egu animu because mo ne do ko FIFA no club ni image no yes soile no meboa wa hwesika ojew secondly because of Saba ni ntino when timi unsigned players oti and he has born now about a point did he born now the team nebo no it was obvious say how to folk enya clinical finisher and onya creative midfielder ba kum yenu pa na ka has bet me age leg no meboa ni because of decision ba kum a bad decision ba kum take you o wie no because of Sadia ninti and na Solomon Agbesin so akọ for free once in po unya Agbesi akọ for free keeper one on the platform and trust you me bra me catch Agbesi is a very good goalkeeper but the point is that bia se na nya hasa wan shanka World Cup rank onya nko Sadia we nyina no ahyew enti business be na aye adwuma be na aye ho enti wi adabio na panyiru ka tell me so on football mu unimu enyo wu guy unim ball no munim agro no wadwene ye o se unimu ba unimu bra me boa unimu unimu anka won such a talent and unim the area ho Agbesi wo fie no time no pride make catch we do baby hard to folk and na hwe no na has ema Agbesi sika na o hwe player no wo bossa ka ni na gu kwa
okay what the young father say
football na so ye no
young father say because of ban intino now to folk intimi man any proper contract like there na nka say how to folk ni player na ye
bra entina make us the only thing you can do is sell for now no has entina what is has and say has or be court Zaboka. I don't know how Sanka say bia or be report to ma efi.
E wa gbesi hu ya.
Monte.
So be court.
Yes. So it tells you say a civil matter. Asem any kentina make us say yes you can have me name my street e betimi anya an agreement. Uti. An agreement eno no me busua eno your special arrangement ayaye. Eno no my street betimi ed mako civil court. Say man call by me word eno e wo ho. But a player is so determined that the who can be an free camp. Oh yes, a time na. Oh yes, so a person man no contract ni na no ni no boy ne na o chichine ho o jack yenka bibia nto na FIFA left ban na ye wi na nkia he de be na boy ne chichine ho cause already ehun say without respect who is serious minimum koma Agbesi di o baby na me nka wa fidie so na onim de me ya I think in a big club like HEARTS-AGBASI brought you onim Agbesi stage me bo onim status onim the level na any all the befa Agbesi as amateur no other na wan kasa o youth players no and our keepers no on fan fabi and ameboa because I know they are product that's a crowd we na man a professional contractor auto on nso a player na so sanso free youth team no buy no and to training and compensation no obese dia to the age of 23 meboa
but Jude me person
but that is the reality America
national team goalkeeper there no yes that's yes ya turn no
big brother I want me boy
dem me mo
anyo baby asam panyimfo by now no sanko Agbesi me so anka by now obi ade na adwuma to ti na make us bro de ya na asimini Oyensu omu person mu create impression ma say yenim ball no yenim dia ye ba wonim dia wo ye. Ah, but no to be koko 5 in a striker, to me fast striker. A whole striker, yes, I'm watching. Or by entire season. Until me, someone go cry. What's it still? What do you know about football? Because bro, make sure, so him the oya, your name may be a own. Ah, no, I didn't know about Jimu Class. My main personality like Solomon Agbasi, Uti. Me money hoka. Now me menena amateur deal. Now I'm a player when you're quite free. But bro, beba name make us and be so the Solomon Agbasi. We are sequire John one who friend Quayawa. Share Nipa your baby at the winning. Footballers, your bonia, your papa, open cophobia, maestro in so the only moment. Open cophobia, much more dear pie, so much more dear. Who you woo free woman or wear footballers. Yasim cophobia, Timu, Timo, Viasia, ye woo free wire, and your more footballers. Omuning Kaya Bakuka any conscience Bakumpo. Share at the Siwan. And see you biano or conscience and precaution say me won't fear in as much as I ever has in penny for a case or one the right thing. At least omunya tima be the man. A situation. A ball wonka. And to what the side in the crowd mouth trim. Anya be a oba has no one jacket here. Bros what the point in I say. And to be being can say no, my mensumen club no. Shamu a wo fra achide na usiom no omo na osane obesi omo se wonimu a afri ye ban ye ko World Cup before ba be ko no anya ban ye ne ka se ade atogba ya ma no obi antimi nyama no mo kai o se to be to phone man iPhone no to man no sa phone na to asase nti no de asase na e ko but players no as players no ayo wo bata no
abesi side de na o kan do obi be sound say say a contract one assembly can contract the many to baffle yet na say yes say you agree on terms na dia me dem nsabesa say e wo afam no menye wi a eno na me di so enti the question is say okay Agbasi yentimi sign professional contract environment no but them say the contract the pan hands of folk ni Agbasi timi sign
because any of their friend an amateur
I get it.
I'm a chair there, bra.
Tio, and your club to club, and your club level.
Yes, and doesn't recognize it. FNO doesn't recognize that.
Metiano Nasia. Ben Pasamacha say, Agbasi side now, also, oh, yeah, you bonia, and I'm busy business between or no, yes, any other folk, personal ones now, Mosayan. Dear and name, okay, the homes Agbasi, your problem near. Bazona, Ekoto players who mean to me, that no man can just say, you're torn here to bar. And you many India, yentimi santi, ubenya bachama. Sabi na Agbasi de ne, how to focus de ne be okay. Say near person, no mum, oh boy na, so when your contract now be kwa, yentimi konkoton, but this on our tongue, o koba ton ho a, e range say na so ye den, o ton ho, ana bia ye ton we are. Percentage I say ye enti anu bi ha sa nya anu bi.
Jo why ade na ka so ye anu bi a anka Agbasi mebo. Me na make say Agbasi ayira na mo say Agbasi ayira me be ka kire mo say Agbasi was South Africa. Okay say me ka kire mo say or South Africa. Adan na house and report no ana me boa. Onim say oni player ni su me. Ono they know. And it is so sad. A good question we be sir. But be say won say so mo yes an yema ya kan ya. And ka ba be do stage say because when my player platform, she platform ade amani. Amen a player na nya kwanya ko World Cup. We are for free. I got $70,000, bro. I wouldn't hold. My $8,000.
Remember, Kakra for my man. Yeah, 10 minutes to be a ditch in that young fine. Yeah, the Akana for me a collection of time.